We will be showing you how to change your default search engine. Maybe you are curious about a different search engine features, or perhaps you just want to try something new. Whatever the reason, Chrome offers a simply way to switch things up. So step number one, open your Google Chrome browser, and in the top right corner you will see a vertical three dots. Simply tap on this icon and hit settings. So in the settings, in the basic section, you will find something called search engine. Tap on this and you would find a list of search engines which are available. To select, there is DuckDuckGo.com, Yandex.com, Bing.com, in.yahoo.com. So these are all the search engines. Select anyone you want, or you can set a custom. If you don't want to see your preferred search engine listed, you might need to install its official extension in some cases. Now that's it. You have successfully changed your default search engine in Google Chrome. Now whenever you type a search query in the address bar and hit enter, your new search engine will take over and deliver the results. I hope you found the video helpful. If it does, then definitely make sure you hit the like button.